Hi everyone, I'm Tony with Fill to Flame. Let's make this beautiful venison breakfast skillet. We're all used to venison for lunch and dinner, so why not breakfast? We have a venison style potato hash here, loaded with eggs, bacon, and a lot of flavor. It's a great way to feed a crowd quickly, even at deer camp. Let's get cooking. In a skillet, I'm going cast iron. We're gonna heat it up, get it nice and hot. We're gonna go in with some bacon, and we're gonna get this cooked up so it's nice and crispy. Now we're going to remove the bacon from the pan and set this aside. Make sure we keep all that bacon fat in there. Now we're gonna go in with our potatoes, right into that bacon grease. We're gonna season this up with some seasoned salt, onion powder and garlic powder, and some black pepper. We're gonna cook these for about 4 to 5 minutes until they start to crisp up. Potatoes are taking on some beautiful color. They're starting to soften up as well. Now we're gonna go in with our onions and we're gonna cook this up for about another 3 to 5 minutes. Our potatoes are taking on some nice color. They're starting to get soft. The onions are soft as well. We're gonna take these, we're gonna move it to another bowl, and then we're gonna go in with our venison. Now we're going in with our ground venison. Make sure your pan's nice and hot. We're gonna push this down a little bit, not a whole lot. We wanna get a nice crust on that venison. We're gonna go in with our seasoned salt, our onion powder and our garlic powder again. We're gonna cook this up just for a couple minutes. The beef is nice and brown, it's taking on a nice good sear. What we're doing here is really developing the flavors. Now we're gonna go back in with our potato and onion mixture. We're gonna stir this all up, get it incorporated. We're gonna cook it for maybe 2 more minutes. Now we're going in with half of our bacon. We're gonna save the other half for a garnish. Stir this in real quick. We're gonna turn our heat down. Now, we're gonna make a couple little wells, little holes right inside the mixture. We're gonna go in with 1 egg. I like to crack my eggs separately, just in case if you get a shell, and lo and behold, I did. Now we're gonna take that, set it right inside the well. We're gonna do a couple more eggs. Now we're gonna top this with a little bit of cheese. You can use any cheese you want here. I got Colby Jack. Pepper Jack would be good as well. Top this off. We're gonna place this in our 350-degree oven for about 3 to 4 minutes until those eggs are done the way you like them. I want mine dippy, so here we go. There you have it. There's our venison breakfast skillet, I think is what we'll call it. We're gonna garnish it with a little bit more bacon. Maybe some chives right on top of those eggs. Don't want to get too carried away. There you have it. Beautiful breakfast. Let's dive in. All right, let's dig in. You can eat this anyway, family style. You can go in, get a little bit of that runny egg, some potato and bacon. That is so, so good. Excuse me. It is a mouthful. Loaded with so much flavor. We did that by developing and cooking the potatoes, then the onions in the bacon fat, pulling that all aside, then going in with the burger and browning it. It's a great breakfast. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Check out our other content. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. We'll see you guys next week.